Good morning students. Welcome to today's class is solving exponential inequalities. First sum is 4 into 3 power 2x minus 1 greater than 5. First I need to send 4 to the other side, then I am applying log on both sides. The power will come before the log. I want to make x the subject, so I am sending log 3 to the other side. So now log 1.25 by log 3 will become, this 3 will go as the base to this one. Next I need x. So first I will send 1 to the other side, it will become plus 1. Then I will send 2, it will become 2. So this is my answer. If you put this in the calculator, you will get a decimal value for x. Now second sum, 8 power 5 minus x less than 10. Again I need to consider log on both sides. Less than log 10. So 5 minus x will come before the log. So 5 minus x log 8. Less than log 10 is 1 because log 10 base 10 results in 1. So now make x the subject. So let us shift log 8 that side first. Now 5 minus 1 by log 8 less than x is the answer. Am I clear? Place this in the calculator, you will get a decimal value for it. Are we able to understand? Now if it is 3 power 2x plus 5 greater than 20, same thing apply log. So log 3 power 2x plus 5 greater than log 20. So 2x plus 5 will come before the log. Log 3 greater than log 20. To make x the subject, log 3 will go that side first. So it will become log 20 by log 3. Log 20 by log 3 will become log 20 base 3. As it's a formula we learnt yesterday. Now I'll send 5 this side first, then 2. This is my result. Am I clear? Now next is natural logarithm. What does it mean? Earlier I told you 10 power 1, 10 power 2 and 10 power 3. Over here e power 1, e is a constant. E power 1 is 2.718. It's an irrational number. It goes on. Now e power 2, how much do I get? 7.389. And e power 3 I get 20.09. Now I want e power what value of x will I get? 3. There I need to use natural logarithms. All the formula are same, everything is same. Only one major difference is when I write log or log base 10. The moment I write log, it automatically means the base is 10. I don't need to write it specifically. Even if I write log, it automatically means the base is 10. Same way here, if I write ln, automatically it means the base is e. I don't need to specifically mention e. That is the difference. log means automatically the base is 10 and ln means base is e. Rest all the formulas are same whether it is log or ln. Am I clear with the difference? E is a constant. So whenever we are using e, we need to use ln as natural logarithm we call it. Now look at sums on natural logarithm. This is a basic sum 3 minus x square. First 2 will go that side. 2 will go as the power. So ln of x square. As it was log or ln, they get cancelled now. So 3 minus x square equal to x square. From that 2x square equal to 3 I get. So x equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. So when x is minus root 3 by 2, it's rejected because log cannot be in negative. So it is plus root 3 by 2 is the answer, which is 1.22. Are we clear? Negative cannot be considered because I have ln x. Even ln is also not, ln also cannot be applied on negative values. Now look at next sum. Ln x minus 2 equal to 6. Nothing is there means the base is e because it's ln. To get x, I need to remove ln. So x minus 2 will become e power 6. So x equal to e power 6 plus 2 is my answer. This e you will find in calculator. That you need to use and find out. Are you able to understand the difference between log and ln? If it was log, I used to consider the base to be 10. Since it is ln, the base is e. Now next sum is ln of 2x plus 1 equal to minus 2. First, to remove ln, no base is given, it means it's e. So 2x plus 1 equal to e power minus 2. So make x the subject, e power minus 2 minus 1 by 2 is the answer. Are we able to understand? Whenever it is ln, the base is e. Okay, next sum, e power 2x plus 2 e power x minus 15. Again, it's the catch that we need to think of. Catch is e power x. So e power 2x, I can write e power x whole square plus 2 e power x minus 15. Catch and then substitute it. E power x equal to y. This will become y square plus 2y minus 15. So the values of y that I get are minus 5 and 3. So e power x equal to minus 5 and e power x equal to 3. E of anything will never result in a negative value. So this gets cancelled. Here x value is ln, base is 3, and here it is e is my answer. If you write here x equal to log 3, it is considered wrong because here it is e. So ln only should be used. Now next sum. Again here the catch is e power x. So e power x minus 21, e power minus x, how can I make it plus? By sending it down, equal to 4. Once the catch is observed, take substitution. E power x equal to y. So it will become y minus 21 by y equal to 4. So LCM y square minus 21 by y equal to 4. Send y to that side. So y square minus 21 equal to 4y. Bring y over this side. So y square minus 4y minus 21 equal to 0. So the values of y that I get are 7 and minus 3. So e power x equal to 7 or e power x equal to minus 3. For whatever value of x, e power x will never be negative. So this is rejected. Here x equal to ln 7. One more time I am saying, if you write x equal to log 7, it's considered wrong because here the base is e. So whenever e is there, ln only should be used. Now next sum is e power x equal to 3 power x minus 2. Take ln on both sides. You cannot take log because the base is e. So it has to be ln of e power x equal to ln of 3 power x minus 2. The power will come before ln. So x ln e equal to x minus 2 ln 3. Ln e base e is 1. So here left out is only x equal to multiply. So it will become x ln 3 minus 2 ln 3. You want x, so all x terms one side. This comes here, this goes here. So 2 ln 3 equal to x ln 3 minus x. Take x common. So I get ln 3 minus 1. So my x value is 2 ln 3 by ln 3 minus 1. Okay, so which I will get is 22.281 is my answer. Are we clear with this? Okay. Next sum. It is 2 ln of 5 minus e power minus 2x equal to 1. First, what will I do? I will send to that side. So it is ln of 5 minus e power minus 2x equal to 1 by 2. Now remove ln. So 5 minus e power minus 2x equal to e power half. I want to make x the subject, right? So make e power minus 2x one side. So this goes that side and this comes over here. Okay, now take ln both sides. So ln of 5 minus e power half is equal to ln of e power minus 2x. So this e minus 2x will come before ln. So minus 2x ln base e. So now ln of 5 minus e power half equal to minus 2x. Since ln e base e is equal to 1. I want x, so I will send minus to that side. So it is ln of 5 minus e power half by minus 2. Put this in the calculator, you will get the value for x in negative. So it is minus 0.605. Okay, next sum, e power x equal to 1 plus e power minus x. Again the catch is e power x. So it will become e power plus x once I take it down. So substitute now. E power x equal to y. This will become y equal to 1 plus 6 by y. LCM. Y plus 6 by y equal to y. Cross multiply now. Y square equal to y plus 6. Bring all to the one side. So y square minus y minus 6 equal to 0. Factorize, you will get two values for y. One is positive, other is negative. Reject negative. For the y value, it is e power x equal to this. So x equal to, apply ln on that, you will get the value for x. And that value you should get 1.1. Am I clear with this? Yes.